Hi there. This is Sharea Farmer, a licensed clinical social worker and therapist. I get a lot of questions about trauma. By far, the most common question is, how do I heal from trauma? If you've ever wondered about unresolved trauma, I invite you to our course, Coming Out of the Rain, Healing as Your Umbrella to Trauma. In this training, I am going to go over why trauma, and specifically unresolved trauma, is an issue. Many of the issues from unresolved trauma spill over into so many areas of one's life. So let us show you how to overcome trauma through learning how childhood beliefs can interfere with your releasing of pain and the powerful impact of forgiveness. Coming out of the rain, healing as your umbrella to trauma. Along with each course, you will get a free wellness workshop, a workbook. Come on over to RS Counseling and Wellness Centers, rscourses.com. See you there.